हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। टुडे जो लेक्चर्स है फ्रेंड्स वो सी एस आई आर नेट का जून 16 क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 रिलेटेड टू द रियल एनालिसिस। सो रिलेटेड टू द रियल एनालिसिस वेरी बहुत ही कह सकते हैं कि ये बहुत ही कॉन्सेप्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स है। बहुत ही कॉन्सेप्ट से रिलेटेड, बहुत ही मतलब लॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स एक तरह से आप कह सकते हैं। और क्वेश्चंस में ही आंसर गिवन है, जो बाउंड्री कंडीशन से गिवन है उससे हम डिसाइड करेंगे व्हाट इज योर आंसर समथिंग। तो क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट फ्रेंड्स, मैं कुछ आपको डिस्क्राइब कर देता हूँ। मोनोटोनिक मीन्स क्या होता है कि मोनोटोन मीन्स दो टाइप्स, मोनोटोनिक इंक्रीजिंग, मोनोटोनिक डिक्रीजिंग या समथिंग। मतलब अगर सीक्वेंस कंटिन्यू इंक्रीजिंग हो रहा है तो मोनोटोन है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो दैट इज। बट यदि मोनोटोन इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग बोथ इन्वॉल्विंग है सो दैट इज नॉट मोनोटोनिक। फर्स्ट हियर क्लियर दिस कि व्हेन व्हाट इज द मोनोटोनिक मीन्स अगर सीक्वेंस इज इंक्रीजिंग or decreasing but not both, so that case is the monotonics. And next, what is the here sentence है Cauchy sequence. So Cauchy sequence, what is this? First, if sequence is bounded and convergent, then we case and that is the Cauchy sequence. And after that decide what is the limits. ये 3 4 1 2 3 points are given is here. And also, so please first likes my videos, subscribe, share and tell to friends for latest updates. And so now come to the points friends. First, the given data is write down here, that is x1 given and x2 given, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1, and here is given, so that is first we write down. हम our target is find out the series first and decide which is monotone or not. So first come to this, what is the given here, xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 upon 2, that is n is greater than 3. So put n equal to 3, put n equal to 3. So how much we get here, x of 3 is equal to, this is x of 2 plus here x1 of 2, means x3 lie between 1 and 2, means सीरीज क्या मिलेगा आपको, x1 is greater than x3 and here x2, x1 x3 is lie between them. This is again मान लीजिए suppose that is find out x4 and equal to 4. So how much we get here, x3 plus here x of 2 divided by x4 lie between x3 and x2, means x1 x3 x4 x2. Next again check it, suppose n equal to 5, so x equal to 5, how much, x4 plus x of 3 divided by 2, means x3 and x4 between x5, x3 and x4. This is the x1 x3 x5 x4 x2. here clear. तो अब देखिए what is decide here, it is clear here कि x1 x2 less than x3 होना चाहिए, but here x1 x lie between them, which is and which is. So it is clear कि sequence is not monotonic. It is here, it is clear sequence is not monotonic. सीक्वेंस इज नॉट मोनोटोनिक। ये हियर पहले फ्रेंड डायरेक्टली क्लियर होता है कि आप जो सीक्वेंस है x1 x3 x5 x4 x2 दैट इज हियर। सो एक तरह से आप कह सकते हैं कि विच इज नॉट मोनोटोनिक है, ना तो इंक्रीजिंग है ना और ना डिक्रीजिंग, सो दैट इज सीक्वेंस इज नॉट मोनोटोनिक्स। अदरवाइज आप इनकी वैल्यू को फाइंड करके भी चेक कर सकते हैं। x3 क्या होगा आपका, सपोज दैट इज हियर, गो टू द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू। तो व्हाट इज दिस x3 न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, अगर हम जाएं सो x0 गिवन है न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, फॉर गो टू द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू के थ्रू जाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको, 0 1 फिर 1 बाय, देखिए for न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं 0 1 x3 हाउ मच वी गेट x1 plus x2 by 2 means x3 0 plus 1 by 2 this is 1 by 2 next x4 x3 plus x2 by 2 so x3 is 1 by 2 and x2 1 3 3 4 3 by 4 with say similarly 5 by 8 and so on so that is not which is not monotonic simple so first it means that is the first option is wrong next देखिए लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 1/2 एंड हियर सो इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक सही होगा दैट इज हियर इक्वेशन 2 एंड 3 4 एनी वन इज ट्रू नॉट बोथ अब फ्रेंड्स अब नेक्स्ट सो हियर व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस अब देखिए दैट इज अ सीरीज सीक्वेंस this is x1 and less than x3 less than x5 less than x4 less than x2 and middle के बहुत high terms होंगे so here create the two series here that is here that is and next with this it means here we get two subsequence x1 less than x3 less than x5 less than x7 less than up to less than x2k minus 1 that is supposed 2k minus 1 next here this is x2 greater than x4 x6 greater than x of 2k that is here so which is called this is which is called complementary subsequences क्योंकि ये दोनों एक ही पार्ट से हैं दैट इज a one series a part of this series original series so which is the complementary two subsequences now come to this here x1 and x2 this is x1 and x2 is fixed it means here x1 and x2 so that is the bounded it means both sequence is bounded both sequence is bounded above sequence is bounded first next sequence is the when sequence is the bounded after then what is the your work check out both sequence converge to the same limits or not so friends we know that a sequence cannot be converged to more than one points this is the properties है the use of this means sequence cannot converge to more than one points we know that sequence cannot be converged more than one point for check कर लेते हैं हम सपोज लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इंफिनिटी x 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 L and limit n tending to infinity x 2k is equal to suppose L prime now L1 L2 भी कर सकते हैं no problem suppose that is L prime या here suppose that is L1 and L2 2 points मान लीजिए और your target is proved that is L1 and L2 is equal to this and we can send that so what is the given so go to the given here xn is equal to xn minus 1 plus x n minus 2 upon 2 so suppose this is the limit of x n tending to infinity एक्स ऑफ 2n, ठीक है। 2n के फॉर्मेट में से 2n इज इक्वल टू लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इंफिनिटी इज हियर x of 2n minus 1 plus x of 2n minus 2 divided by 2. So what is this up next? So come to friends, x2n means even, so that is the L2, even है, that is here, so that is here L2 is equal to this n tending to infinity 2n minus 1, that is odd, and here 2n minus 2 is even. It means that is 1 by 2 L2 plus L1. So simplify, this is L2 upon 2 is equal to L1 upon 2, imply that L1 plus L1 equal to L2. So it means both series converge to the same points. Converge both series subsequence converge to same point. So it means sequence same points पे converge करे, it means क्या हुआ, sequence is bounded and convergent, so that is Cauchy sequence. Sequence is bounded and convergent, then xn is Cauchy sequence. So it means that third option is correct. अब आते हैं हमें check out this 2 and 4th are correct or not. So अब 2 and 4th कैसे check कर सकते हैं आप? That is here. How to check the equations 2 and 4 are correct. तो अभी देखते हैं हम, अब हमें लिमिट्स को फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इट मीन्स व्हाट इज द गिवन फर्स्ट, xn is given xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 divided by 2. So first x3, what is this, x2 1 by 2 x2 plus x1 by 2, here x4, put here 1 by 1 1 by 2, x3 plus x2 by 2, x5 1 by 2, x4 plus x3 by 2, here and so on. This is suppose x of 2n x of n. So x of n is here 1 by 2 xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 upon 2 and xn minus 1 is equal to this. So 1 by 2 xn minus 2 and plus 1 by 2 xn minus 3. That is the sequences. तो अब क्या करेंगे हम, ये एक्सप्लेनेशन और एक्सपेंड हो गया, एडिंग कर देते हैं, एडिंग. So adding this, so left hand side x3 x4 x5 up to xn minus 1 plus xn is equal to this. Right hand side here, this is x2 and x1 by 2 means 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 x4 up to something, x3 plus x4 up to 1 by 2 xn minus 1 here, so 1 by 2 xn minus 1 xn minus 1 and so adding this, ठीक है, बाकी के जो रिमेनिंग टर्म्स है फ्रेंड्स वो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. सो दैट इज हियर. अब नेक्स्ट, सो देखते हैं क्या क्या फाइंड आउट हो सकते हैं कैंसिल, दैट्स हियर एंड हियर. बाकी के जो भी टर्म्स होंगे एवरीथिंग इज कैंसिल. सिंपल, दैट इज द कैंसिल और फाइंड आउट दिस. So only this and right hand side. Left hand side this is xn minus 1 plus xn. Right hand side 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 or plus 1 by 2 xn minus 1. Here simplifications, left hand side this, so 1 by 2 xn minus 1 plus xn 1 upon 2 x1 plus x2. Now up here taking the limits. taking limit. So 1 by 2 limit n tending to infinity xn minus 1 limit n tending to infinity n xn is equal to 1 by 2 x1 plus x2 2x2 और लिमिट, सो लिमिट का कोई हियर मीनिंग नहीं रहा राइट हैंड साइड्स में, अदरवाइज वी राइट डाउन दिस हियर लिमिट ऑफ n टेंडिंग टू इंफिनिटी 1 by 2 x1 plus 2x2. So here friends, that is, so which is L, that is L and which is L also, so it means 1 by 2 L plus L is equal to 1 by 2 x1 plus 2x2. Otherwise here 3L is equal to x1 plus 2x2. L is equal to 1 by 3 x1 plus 2x2. That is find out. Next, अब नेक्स्ट चेक कर सकते हैं व्हाट इज द वैल्यू गिवन इज x1 0 x2 is 0. Here x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 1. So now L is equal to 2 by 3. So it means limit of n tending to infinity xn is equal to 2 by 3. So that is your fourth option is correct and second is wrong. So it means that is the third and fourth option is correct and here which is, so एक general observation and conceptual problem, that type of problems Cauchy and subsequences related, that problem is already is given in books friend. सिर्फ यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशंस नहीं है, बुक्स में आप कोई भी एक बुक ले लीजिए जैसे शांति नारायण या फिर मलिक अरोड़ा, उसमें ऑलरेडी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व है, सेम टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं बट थोड़े सम चेंजेस हैं, बट दैट इज अ same types of problem you will solve. So check it and go and check out and that type of problem solve it. So I think you understood this and take care. Thank you. Bye bye.